Welcome to my solar addiction. Today's video.
Hello folks, here we are in the power room at My Solar Addiction, and today we're going to talk about how I use my 400 volt Growatt system to charge my 48 volt EG4 system. Now, a lot of people that have energy storage systems or solar energy systems to back up power to their house or live completely off grid, they use generators when there's not enough sun and the batteries are getting low. They'll crank up a generator to charge up their batteries and keep sustaining the electricity in their house. Well, I run as grid as backup, so I could always use the grid, but I try not to use the grid 24/7, 365 days a year, so I can maximize my return on my investment in my energy storage system. So I do have two generators. I have a gas generator and a tri-fuel generator for those emergency moments. And so far I haven't had to use them in any situation since I've gotten my new systems put in 2 years ago. So I basically run off grid with grid as backup, but if I do need to charge my batteries up with other sources of energy, I would use my 400 volt system to charge my 48 volt system, and I would hook it up to my EG4 Chargeverter, so I have clean power going to my batteries, and I would charge my batteries up that way. I'm going to show you how I use my Growatt 400 volt system to charge my 48 volt EG4 system when the batteries are getting too low and I don't have enough sun coming in to charge them up via solar. Okay, so the system's up and running. Right now we've got green lights on both batteries, and we have the grid breaker is off, so we're running in off-grid mode. So now we're going to start some loads. We're going to turn on the chargeverter, and instead of just wasting that energy, I could do a load test by just sending energy to the grid, but they don't give me one for my energy as far as how much they charge me versus what they give me when I sell it to them. So I'd rather just transfer the energy via my chargeverter to my home system, and that's what I'm going to do. I've got my chargeverter hooked up to this bus bar right here that connects into the main bus bar system for all my batteries in my house, and the chargeverter will be charging those batteries using the Growatt system. All right, here we are at my test panel. We're going to open that bad boy up. We're going to give it some juice from my Growatt system, and my chargeverter is connected to this 30 ampere right here. So I'm going to turn that on, and we can hear it in the background. Let's go check it out. So here's the chargeverter, and right now the breaker's off, so it's not sending any energy to my battery. So let's go ahead and flip that breaker on, and we can see that the current is starting to flow, ramping up slowly. 28, 30, 32, 34 amps, 95.4, 97.2, 98.4. All right, so it just registered its first kilowatt hour, 0.1 kilowatt hour. So there it goes, it's charging up, and it's like 94.9 amps. All right, so we can see that the system is cranking up. Let's see what our battery state of charge is on my other system. Refreshing. Okay, we went up a percentage. We're charging our 48 volt system with our 400 volt system. That's going to take a little while, but good stuff. Chargeverter's cranking away, pumping 96 amps into the batteries using the power in my 400 volt system. Cool. We're at 58% here. Let's see what Solar Assistant says. Refreshing. We're at 99 on Solar Assistant. Refresh the EG4 app so we can see what our battery voltages are. These are saying 100. Some of them are getting close to that 100. Now I have the chargeverter set to 56.5. So we got a little ways to go. Go back to Growatt, and the batteries are down to 58%. And we're still charging our batteries using the chargeverter, and the energy is coming from our 400 volt Growatt system, discharging those batteries. See the little icon showing it's discharging to charge our 48 volt EG4 system. Pretty cool. Solar assistance says we're at 100%. We still got a couple of batteries not at 100%. Battery 3ID4, battery 4ID5. With the Chargeverter set to 56.5, let's see if we can get them all to that number. So the Chargeverter is ramping down now. Current is at 29.5, and we're still discharging our LG 400 volt batteries. Battery is at 50.5%, and we're ramping down even more on the Chargeverter. Only 1800 watts. Got my batteries charged up. They're discharging again.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video.